Bali, also known as the Island of the Gods, is a beautiful island located in Indonesia. Bali is known for its friendly locals, ancient temples, lively culture, amazing cuisine, and stunning natural beauty. Bali is an island that offers something for everyone, from culture and relaxation to beautiful beaches, rice terraces, waterfalls, rainforests, and volcanoes. Please enjoy this Bali travel guide with the best tips and to-dos. To start with, the Tegenungang Rice Terrace. The most famous, and perhaps most beautiful rice terrace in Bali. At the top of the rice field, you'll find several observation platforms from where you have panoramic views of the gorgeous green landscape. For a small fee, you can hike through the rice terrace, which makes for a unique experience. The rice terrace is a result of traditional Balinese cooperative water management system called Subak, which is used to irrigate the rice fields. The stunning and peaceful Tegenungang Rice Terrace is a must-see place in Bali, as it reflects the island's culture and natural beauty. Up next, visit the Tanah Lot Temple. One of Bali's most iconic landmarks, built in the 16th century. The Tanah Lot Temple is dedicated to the Balinese sea gods and is an important site of worship for the local community. The temple is believed to guard Bali from evil spirits and is considered one of the 7 sea temples along the Balinese coastline. Perched on a rocky formation, it creates a breathtaking and picturesque scene as the waves crash against the rocks. This sacred sea temple offers a truly enchanting experience and is definitely worth a visit. Up next, visit Ubud, the cultural heart of Bali. Situated among lush greenery and terrace rice fields, this enchanting town offers a serene and artistic escape. Ubud is known for its vibrant art scene, traditional crafts, and relaxed atmosphere. Immerse yourself in the rich Balinese culture as you explore local art galleries, witness traditional dances, and visit ancient temples. With its amazing blend of cultural experiences, artistic expression, and natural beauty, Ubud is a must-visit destination that will leave you enchanted and serene. Up next, explore Nyangnyang Beach, a hidden gem located on the southwestern coast of the island. This secluded beach is known for its pristine white sand, turquoise waters, and breathtaking cliffs. Accessible via a trek down a steep staircase, Nyangnyang Beach remains relatively undiscovered, providing visitors with a tranquil oasis where they can relax, sunbathe, and swim in the crystal-clear waters. With its unspoiled natural surroundings and a sense of seclusion, this beach offers a serene and idyllic retreat for those seeking a quieter beach experience in Bali. Up next, visit Sekumpul Waterfall, a majestic natural wonder located in the northern region of the island. Consisting of 7 cascades, it is often referred to as Bali's most beautiful waterfall. Situated within lush greenery and surrounded by picturesque rice terraces, Sekumpul Waterfall offers a breathtaking sight as the water plunges down the rocky cliffs into a serene pool below. To reach the waterfall, you can hike through the scenic verdant jungle, immersing yourself in the sounds of nature along the way. Up next, explore Monkey Forest, a sacred sanctuary that offers an up-close and unique experience with playful macaques and lush tropical surroundings. This enchanting forest, located in Ubud, is home to over 700 monkeys, roaming freely among ancient temples and towering trees. As you wander through the forest's pathways, you will witness the monkeys' playful antics, creating delightful moments of observation and interaction. While exploring, be amazed with the ancient sculptures and temples that are nestled within the dense forest, adding a mystical element to the experience. Monkey Forest is a unique and immersive destination, allowing visitors to connect with nature and witness the dynamic relationship between humans and monkeys in their natural habitat. Up next, visit Pura Ulun Danu Bratan Temple. a captivating Hindu temple set against the stunning backdrop of Lake Bratan. It's also known as the Floating Temple and is dedicated to the goddess of the lake and is renowned for its picturesque beauty. The temple's iconic multi-tiered shrines seem to emerge from the water, creating a mesmerizing reflection on the lake's surface. Surrounded by misty mountains and lush greenery, Ulun Danu Bratan Temple offers a serene experience, harmoniously blending culture, nature, and architecture. This sacred site is not only a significant place of worship, but also a popular spot for photography enthusiasts and those seeking a tranquil escape in Bali's highlands. Up next, visit Seminyak, a trendy and vibrant beach resort area known for its laid-back atmosphere. With its long stretches of golden sand and renowned surf breaks, Seminyak is a paradise for beach lovers. The area is known for its luxury resorts, stylish beach clubs, high-end boutiques, and great restaurants. Whether you want to relax on the beach or immerse yourself in the vibrant nightlife, Seminyak offers a lively atmosphere that never fails to captivate its visitors. Up next, visit the Gangga Temple, a wonderful water palace that showcases the beauty of traditional Balinese architecture and serene gardens. Built in 1948 by the royal family of Karangasem, the temple complex features stunning ponds, fountains, and stone carvings. The centerpiece is a large pool where visitors can walk across stepping stones to reach the central island with its elegant temple structures. The Gangga Temple offers a tranquil and picturesque setting and is a great place to immerse themselves in the peaceful ambience. Up next, visit the Nungnung Waterfall, a majestic natural wonder surrounded by lush greenery and dense forests. This breathtaking waterfall stands at an impressive height of 50 meters, creating a powerful cascade that plunges into a serene pool below. The journey to reach the Nungnung Waterfall involves a trek through the dense rainforest, adding an adventurous element to the experience. Visitors can enjoy the cool mist from the cascading waters and immerse themselves in the tranquil ambience of this hidden gem. Up next, explore Mount Agung, the highest and most sacred volcano on the island, standing at an impressive height of 3,031 meters. It is an iconic symbol of Balinese spirituality and culture and is believed to be the abode of the gods. The volcano has a majestic presence, with its towering summit often covered in clouds. Climbing Mount Agung is a popular activity for adventurous hikers, offering breathtaking views of the surrounding landscapes, including tropical forests, terraced rice fields, and distant coastlines. But even when you're not climbing the volcano, it's a majestic sight from wherever you'll see it. Up next, visit the Uluwatu Temple, a majestic Hindu temple perched on a cliff along Bali's southern coast. It's known for its breathtaking ocean views, natural surroundings, and wonderful sunsets. This ancient temple, dedicated to the sea gods, offers a unique blend of culture and natural beauty. As you explore the temple complex, you'll encounter stone carvings, traditional Balinese architecture, and free-roaming monkeys. Truly an amazing place to visit. Up next, visit the Tegenungang Waterfall, a mesmerizing waterfall surrounded by lush greenery and dense forests. As you approach the waterfall, you'll be greeted by the sound of rushing water and a refreshing mist in the air. Tegenungang's cascading waters create a stunning sight as they plunge into a large pool below, inviting visitors to take a dip and cool off in its waters. The surrounding landscape adds to the enchantment, with towering trees and tropical flora, creating a serene and picturesque scenery. Up next, explore Padang Beach, a picturesque hidden gem known for its stunning beauty and crystal clear waters. Accessible through a narrow cliffside pathway, the beach reveals a small sandy cove surrounded by towering cliffs and lush vegetation. With its pristine white sand and turquoise sea, Padang Padang offers an idyllic setting, making it a popular spot for those seeking a tranquil and scenic escape on Bali's southern coast. Up next, explore the Jatiluwih Rice Terrace. A breathtaking rice terrace that showcases the beauty of traditional Balinese rice cultivation. Spread across a vast expanse of terraced hillsides, Jatiluwih offers a mesmerizing panorama of lush green rice fields cascading down the hills. The irrigation system, known as Subak, has been in use for centuries, enabling the farmers to cultivate rice sustainably. The natural beauty, serene atmosphere, and the harmonious coexistence between humans and nature make the Jatiluwih Rice Terrace a mesmerizing place to visit. Up next, visit Canggu, a vibrant and bohemian village located on the southwestern coast of the island. It has gained popularity in recent years due to its laid-back and relaxed atmosphere. The area boasts stunning black sand beaches, beach clubs, boutiques, great restaurants, and a thriving arts scene. Canggu's unique blend of surf culture, bohemian vibes, and creative energy makes it a captivating place for those seeking a more alternative and offbeat experience in Bali. Up next, visit the Gitgit Waterfall, a natural wonder located in northern Bali. Surrounded by lush greenery and tropical foliage, the water rushing down from a height of 35 meters is truly a mesmerizing sight. To reach the waterfall, a short trek through a verdant forest is required, immersing you in the serene ambience of nature. The cool mist and refreshing atmosphere make it an ideal spot for relaxation. The Gitgit Waterfall is a must-visit destination for nature lovers and adventure enthusiasts. Up next, visit the Tirta Empul Temple, a sacred water temple of which its architecture reflects traditional Balinese design. It's renowned for its purification rituals and spiritual significance. The temple complex features a series of bathing pools fed by natural springs, where visitors can participate in a traditional cleansing ritual. People believe that the holy water from the springs possesses healing and purifying properties. Up next, explore nearby islands. Off the eastern coast, there are a few amazing islands to explore, each with its own unique natural surroundings, characteristics, charm, and atmosphere. Some of the best are the Gili Islands, Nusa Lembongan, and Nusa Penida. These nearby islands provide a perfect escape from the crowds, offering great opportunities for adventure and relaxation. Keep in mind that these islands can only be reached by boat. Up next, the best time to visit. The best time to visit Bali is during the dry season, which typically runs from April to September. This period offers pleasant weather with lower humidity, less rainfall, and plenty of sunshine. During the dry season, the beaches are at their best, and you can enjoy various outdoor activities such as surfing, snorkeling, diving, trekking, and exploring the island's cultural sites without much interruption from rain. However, Bali's wet season, from October to March, also has its appeal. While rain showers are more frequent, they are often short-lived and followed by sunny spells. Up next, the best way to get around the island. Bali has limited public transport options, which mainly consists of buses. Although it brings you to your destination in a safe way, due to the busy traffic, it will probably take a long time doing so. Hiring a private driver offers convenience and flexibility for exploring multiple attractions in a day. But the most popular way of moving around is to rent a scooter. This is the most used vehicle in Bali, and for a reason, as it brings you to your destination in the fastest way. But be cautious, as traffic is literally coming from everywhere. And last, check the currency. Indonesia's official currency is the rupiah. ATMs are widely available throughout the city, and many accept international debit and credit cards. But it's always a good idea to have some cash with you. Keep in mind that some places may not accept foreign currency, so it's best to exchange your money in advance. You can exchange money at banks, exchange offices, or at the airport. Thanks for watching to this Bali travel guide. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, as there will be more travel guides to come.